So, in today's lecture, we're going to talk about what's glycogen, what's glucose, what's glucagon. We'll differentiate what's glucose, what's glycogen, and what's glucagon. What's glucagon? Glukagon. You don't know. Cool. So, we have here what? We have here pancreas. And here we have what?
Large intestine. Small intestine.
Small intestine. This is called duodenum.
Duodenum.
This is pancreas. This is stomach. This is
Liver.
and this
Gallbladder.
gallbladder. This is liver. This is gallbladder. Gallbladder. So we'll talk about mostly today about the liver, its function. These structures, this first, second, third, and fourth, fifth structure work together by combination. Alright? We will learn all the combinations together. First, let's talk about the pancreas. What was the exocrine function of the pancreas and endocrine function of the pancreas? The exocrine function of the pancreas was to produce trypsin, lipase, and amylase. Alright? Trypsin, lipase, and amylase. Alright? Amylase. Am I right? This is the exocrine function. And we have endocrine function. Endocrine function was alpha cells and the beta cells. Cool? Do you remember? We have alpha and beta cells. For example, the alpha cells produce, beta cells produce insulin. And alpha cells produce glucagon. It is called glucagon. Together, glucagon. Insulin. So beta cells produce insulin and alpha cells produce glucagon. Alright?
Yeah.
So, the endocrine function, in the last lecture we talked about the alpha cells and beta cells. They produce the hormones, and these hormones go to the bloodstream. Yes? To the bloodstream. Hormones go to the bloodstream. What they do in the blood, for example, we ate, so we have the foods here, the balls of the foods we have here, right? Right? So, we have here blood vessels, qon tomirlarimiz bor, qon tomirlarga ovqat so'rilib boshlaydi, to'g'rimi? Ovqat, demak, qonimiz oziq moddalar tashiydi. They transfer the products that we eat. For example, the proteins, carbohydrates, and what? Lipids. So in our blood we have lipids, carbohydrates, and proteins. So the function of the glucose, we have the most energy we get is from carbohydrates. Alright? For example, nondan ko'p energiya olamiz. Karbohidratlardan biz ko'p energiyani olamiz. Masalan, kuniga 5 kilo go'sht yeymiz, shuncha protein yeymiz. Lekin non ko'paysiz, to'g'rimi? Ovqat yeyotgancha ham, kolbasa yeguncha, kolbasani ta'mi shirin bo'lsin deb, kolbasa oz bo'lsa, ko'proq non bilan ozgina kolbasa yeyisizlar. Xuddi shunaqa biz karbohidrat, nonni ko'p iste'mol qilamiz. Bu karbohidratlar glukozaga parchalanadi. Glukoza bu energiya manbai, ATF manbai. Bizga juda ham ko'p, they produce ATP, adenosine triphosphate. These are the energy molecules in our organism. Alright? So when we eat a lot of carbohydrates. Their carbohydrates, they digest into the glucose, and from glucose we get the ATPs. Alright? ATP. Before we get in the ATP, some of the glucose, if we get enough energy, for example, zavtrak qildinglar, energiyani oldinglar, kerakli energiyani kun davomida ishlashlaring uchun energiyani, endi u energiyani qanchadir miqdori sizlarga saqlanib qoladi. Glukoza jigar o'zida glukozani glikogenga aylantiradi. Some of the glucose is converted into glycogen. Skladga solib qo'yadi. Ko'p ovqat yeb qo'yasizlar, qorinlaring og'riguncha ovqat yeysizlar. O'sha ovqat sizlarga zaxiraga to'planib qoladi. Tushunardingmi? Qayerda to'planadi? Qayerda glycogen to'planadi? Mana bu zaxira skladdagi narsa qayerga boradi? Qayerda qarangiz bo'ladi?
Liver.
In the liver. Alright? In the liver. Because of what? Because of insulin. Insulin comes to the help here. Glukozani glikogenga aylantiradigan narsa bu insulin hisoblanadi. Insulin qayerdan chiqadi? Insulin pankreasdan chiqadi. Agar pankreasimiz bo'lmasa, insulin yo'q. Insulin yo'q bo'lsa, glukoza glikogenga aylanmaydi. Glukoza glikogenga aylanmagandan keyin nima bo'ladi? Odam tez och qoladi. Chunki uni zaxirasi yo'q. Buni diabetiklar deydi, sahrni diabet deydi. Sahrni diabetik insonlarda pankreasdagi alfa beta sellari insulin production qilmaydi yoki insulindagi resistant bo'ladi. Sellar, insulin resistant bo'ladi. Butun bizning muscle sellarimiz. Yoki liverda storage qiladi. Yoki bo'lmasa what is it?
What?
Muscle. Yoki this is this muscle cell. Or they store all the glycogen in the muscle cells. All right? So we have two options to store the glucose. Glucose is first converted to the glycogen via which hormone? Which hormone? Via insulin. Via insulin. Via insulin, the glucose is converted to the glycogen. All right? This is plus reaction. Bu ketadi reaksiya. Bu bo'ladigan jarayon. Tushunarlimi? Endi glukagon nima ish qiladi bu paytda? Endi biz qornimiz to'ydi. Biz nima qildik? Zaxiraga olib qo'ydik. We have enough energy. We stored the glycogen. So we have to digest this glycogen when we are hungry. Och qolganimizda nima qilamiz? Endi och qolganimizda o'sha jigarda to'plangan, mushaklarda to'plangan glikogen yana qayta glukozaga parchalanadi. Och qolganimizda yana o'sha to'plangan glikogen glukozaga parchalanadi. Tushunarlimi? Enerji olish uchun. Chunki glukoza bizga energiya, ATP beradi. Tushunarlimi? ATP bu juda ham katta molekula enerji uchun ishlatiladi. Adenozin-trifosfat. Bu hali buni ham bilamiz hali. So, qanaqa qilib glikogendan glukozaga parchalaymiz? Bu yerda bizda glukagon yordam beradi. Mana bu glukagon plus bizga reaksiya beradi. Ya'ni insulin pankreasdan chiqadigan alfa seldan chiqadigan glukagon kelib glikogendan glukozani hosil qiladi bizga. Va biz och qolganimizda o'zimizda organizmimizning ishlashini ta'minlab turamiz glukagon sababli. Och qolganimizda сохранить qilib qo'yamiz uni xranilishga nima yordamida? Insulin благодаря insulin hisobiga. Tushunarlimi? Bu ikkovi bir-biriga o'xshab. Bu to'q payti keladi yordamga. Bu och payti keladi. Tushunarlimi? Ikkovining reaksiyasi bir-biriga teskari. Sen masalan, sen aybdorsan, bu sen aybdorsan. Ikkovi bir-biriga doim qarshi yuradi. Tushunarlimi? Bir-biriga doim qarshi yuradi. Demak, the function of the glucagon and insulin, you have learned about it. You know what's the function of the trypsin, you know what's the function of the lipase, you know what's the function of the amylase. Amylase is also produced in mouse. Trypsin digests proteins. Lipase digests lipids. We have here pepsin. Pepsin digests also proteins. Alright? Plus reaksiya. Tushunarlimi? Liver, gallbladderdan nima chiqadi?
Bile
chiqadi. Bile qayerga bo'ladi? Do'ldiriladi. Bu yerda trypsin, lipase, amylase ham do'ldiriladi bo'ladi. Pankreatik duct yordamida. Common bile duct bor, pankreatik duct bor. Pankreatik duct, common bile duct. Tushunarlimi? Bu mexanizm. Bizga mana bu kelib, gallbladderdan bile keladi. Nima qiladi fatni? Emulsify. Xuddi feri singari yog'larni parchalab tashlaydi. Yog' agar mana bu gallbladderda olib tashlasak, bizning yog'larimiz yaxshi parchalanmaydi. Qornimiz og'riydi, tushunarlimi? Shuning uchun bizga juda ham essential, juda ham muhim. Bir xil tosh paydo bo'ladi, aytgan. Bu pochkadagi tosh singari gallbladder stones bor. O'shalarda olib tashlaydi gallbladder to'ponni, ular keyin tezak tushishga majbur bo'lishadi. So we have gallbladder, stomach, yana nima qolib ketdi? Liverda production of the bile. Here we have production of the bile. In the gallbladder we have storage and concentration of bile. Tushunarlimi? Tak. Thank you very much.